Welcome to my channel. Flights assistance, don't pay extra. Singapore Airlines baggage rules. You must know. Discover Singapore Airlines 2025 baggage allowance rules in this quick guide. Learn how much luggage you can bring in economy, premium economy, business, and first class. We cover cabin and checked baggage limits, excess fees, and tips to avoid surprises at the airport. 2 baggage systems. Weight and piece concept. Singapore Airlines operates 2 baggage allowance systems depending on the destination. For most routes, excluding the USA and Canada, the weight concept applies, where baggage is measured by total weight. For example, economy class passengers get 25 to 35 kilograms depending on the fare type, light, value, standard, or flexi, while business class allows up to 40 kilograms. For flights to, from the USA and Canada, the piece concept applies, allowing 2 checked bags, up to 23 kilograms each for economy and premium economy, and 32 kilograms each for business, first class, and suites. Always check your e-ticket for specific allowances, as mixed cabin itineraries may differ. Cabin baggage allowance. Passengers can bring cabin baggage, with limits based on travel class. Economy and premium economy passengers are allowed 1 piece weighing up to 7 kilograms, with dimensions not exceeding 115 centimeters, length plus width plus height. Business class, first class, and suites passengers can bring 2 pieces, each up to 7 kilograms, with the same size restriction. Additionally, all passengers may carry a personal item, e.g., laptop, handbag, not exceeding 40 by 30 by 10 centimeters, which must fit under the seat. Items exceeding these limits will be checked into the cargo hold, potentially incurring fees. Infant baggage allowance. Infants, under 2 years, traveling on Singapore Airlines have a specific baggage allowance. For weight concept routes, infants are entitled to 10 kilograms of checked baggage. For piece concept routes, USA, Canada, they get 1 piece up to 23 kilograms, economy, premium economy, or 32 kilograms, business, first class, suites. Parents can also check 1 fully collapsible stroller or pushchair and 1 carry cot or car seat. In the cabin, infant amenities, e.g., food, diapers, are allowed up to 6 kilograms, within the 115 centimeters dimension limit. Checked baggage size and weight restrictions. Checked baggage must not exceed 158 centimeters, length plus width plus height, per piece. For piece concept routes, with a maximum weight of 23 kilograms, economy, premium economy, or 32 kilograms, business, first class, suites. For weight concept routes, no single bag can weigh more than 32 kilograms for safety reasons. Heavier items must be split across multiple bags. Bulky items at Singapore Changi Airport must not exceed 200 by 75 by 80 centimeters. Oversized or overweight bags may incur additional fees or require special handling. Elite status and additional allowances. KrisFlyer Elite Silver, Elite Gold, Star Alliance Gold, and PPS Club members receive extra baggage allowances, but only on Singapore Airlines operated flights, not codeshare flights. For weight concept routes, KrisFlyer Elite Silver members get an additional 10 kilograms, while Elite Gold and Star Alliance Gold members get 20 kilogram. PPS Club members receive 100% extra allowance, e.g., doubling the standard limit. For piece concept routes, Elite Gold and Star Alliance Gold members get 1 extra bag, up to 3 total, and PPS Club members may get up to 4 bags in premium economy. Always verify with your e-ticket, as codeshare flights follow the operating airline's policy. Excess baggage fees and pre-purchase discounts. If your baggage exceeds the free allowance, additional charges apply. For weight concept routes, extra baggage can be pre-purchased in 5 kilograms blocks, up to 100 kg, online via the Manage booking portal, offering 10 to 25% discounts if bought more than 48 hours before departure. For piece concept routes, USA, Canada, extra bags are charged per piece, with costs varying by route and timing. KrisFlyer members may receive further discounts. Check fees using Singapore Airlines chatbot, Kris, by entering additional baggage. Excess baggage purchased at the airport incurs full rates. Baggage policy for codeshare and interline flights. For codeshare or interline flights, the baggage policy may differ. If Singapore Airlines is the most significant marketing carrier, the airline with the code on the longest or most significant leg, its policy typically applies. However, for itineraries involving the USA or Canada, if the first flight is not operated by Singapore Airlines or lacks an SQ flight number, the first carrier's policy may apply to the entire itinerary per U.S. Department of Transportation rules. Check your ticket or contact the operating airline for clarity. Restricted and prohibited items. Singapore Airlines enforces strict rules on restricted items. Liquids, aerosols, and gels in cabin baggage must be in containers of 100 milliliters or less, placed in a single, transparent, resealable 1-liter bag. Prohibited items include firearms, ammunition, toy guns, corrosive materials, e.g., mercury, acids, and oxidizing substances, e.g., bleaching powder. Durians are banned in both cabin and checked baggage due to their strong smell. E-cigarettes are prohibited in Singapore, and lithium batteries, e.g., in smart luggage, must comply with watt-hour limits, max 100 watt-hours for cabin, removed for checked bags. Failure to declare hazardous items may result in penalties. Special baggage handling. Non-standard items like surfboards, bicycles, or musical instruments may incur a fixed handling fee due to size or fragility. At Singapore Changi Airport, bulky items must not exceed 200 by 75 by 80 centimeters. Portable oxygen concentrators, FAA approved, are allowed on board if they fit under the seat. Contact Singapore Airlines in advance for special items to confirm fees and requirements. Baby strollers are exempt from excess baggage fees if within size limits. Tips for a smooth journey. To avoid issues, pack within your allowance and verify limits on your e-ticket. Carry valuables, medications, and travel documents in your cabin baggage, as checked bags are inaccessible during flights. Consider travel insurance for loss or damage and use a tracking device in checked luggage. For food items, check destination regulations, e.g., Singapore Food Agency rules, as some items may be restricted. Pre-purchase extra baggage online for savings, and contact Singapore Airlines for specific queries, especially for complex itineraries or special items. For the latest updates or detailed inquiries, visit the official Singapore Airlines baggage allowance page or contact their customer service at +65 6223 8888. Understanding these policies ensures a seamless travel experience with Singapore Airlines. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.